In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export products in Odoo. If you've been looking for a straightforward guide to managing your product data, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can easily extract and utilize your product details for your business needs. First, let's start by logging into your Odoo account, and once you're in, navigate over to either the Inventory or Sales modules. Both of these modules hold access to your products, so you can use either one according to your preference or the module that's most relevant to your business operations. Once there, you'll want to switch to the List view. This view provides a clear and concise format to see all your products laid out, making it much easier to select the ones you're interested in exporting. Now take a moment to decide which products you want to export. You can select specific products by clicking on them individually, or if you need to export your entire product range, there's an option to select all products at once. Choosing all can be especially useful when you're looking to create a comprehensive data set. Once you've made your selection, look for the Actions menu, which is usually at the top of the page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll find the Export option. Go ahead and click on that to bring up the Export Settings pop-up. In this pop-up window, you'll have the option to choose between CSV or XLSX file formats. CSV is often favored for its simplicity and compatibility with various data processing tools, while XLSX is ideal if you'll be working within Excel or need to maintain specific formatting. Choose the format that best suits your needs. There's also a checkbox labeled "I want to update data, import compatible export" that you might find useful. Ticking this box ensures that you include only fields that are suitable for re-importing back into Odoo. This is handy if you anticipate making bulk edits and re-importing data in the future. Next, it's time to determine which specific fields of product data you wish to export. You'll see arrows and a plus button that allow you to select these fields. Take advantage of these tools to customize your data selection thoroughly. This enables you to extract only the information that's pertinent to your current project or need. Furthermore, you can rearrange these fields to match how you want the data structured in the exported file. If you find yourself frequently exporting similar datasets, consider saving your field selections as a template. This feature will streamline your future exports, eliminating the need to set everything up from scratch each time. Once you've made all your selections and are satisfied with your configuration, go ahead and click on the Export button. Your file will download automatically to your computer. And there you have it. Your data is ready for use, whether for analysis, reporting, or any other business process you have planned. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more Odoo tips and tricks.